The idea of drones that first came about within the building envelope department was from our director, and he first brought it to my attention. And I thought it was a great idea because I had already been thinking and working on trying to implement this process throughout many years because I could see how it was taking a lot of extra time by performing PMs.
The idea of drones on campus came from a class that I was taking for my master's. They were talking about building inspections as far as roofs and building envelope for like thermal loss, energy loss. Worked with a professor to present to the team, and Michael was one of the very few that showed up and understood what the need was.
As we started pondering it, we both knew that drones were very common nowadays. And we also knew that they're starting to be looked at a lot for building inspections. So we started doing the research to figure that out, and we quickly came to the conclusion that this was going to be a great idea. And Michael looked at me and said, "I've got this, I can make this happen."
We worked with the actual company, Skydio, that we actually purchased the equipment from, and they provided that training with us. We also had a drone pilot within parking services, and Mark was able to help us with the training process of it, so the technicians were able to obtain their FAA certification.
We use the drones to do preventive maintenance on our roofs in areas that we can't walk or get to, bring a lift down to hard to reach areas. It helps us pinpoint where those areas of need are.
We typically fly the drones 1 to 2 times a week, and we're looking for deficiencies in the building. How we use the 2 different cameras is one is just a normal picture, one's thermographic, and in the thermographic one, we can find air leaks and water leaks, whereas the other one we can find deficiencies in expansion joints and sealants around doors and windows.
Implementing the drone process has helped us save time, money, and be proactive.
So in the past, we only used lifts, and it takes more than a day to set some of those up, and then to use them even doesn't get us to the location of the problem or a full view of what we're trying to observe or inspect. And so we always have to approximate something even after all of that effort.
Having the drones on site has just been so much easier. I mean, it's just been wonderful. And not only that, it's been actually fun.
Michael is quite the accomplished individual in our department. And I think the thing that makes him most worthy of this award, it's just his tremendous attitude. He's North Carolina through and through. He loves this place. He always wants to help people and do the very best for them. He has just the highest sense of quality and workmanship, and he tries to deliver that as a gift to people. And that is the thing that really makes him deserving.
So receiving this award means a lot to me, not only to me, but to my teammates at UNC Charlotte. This award is really for all of us, and I say that because we've all worked so hard and it represents all of us as a whole and how far we've come in the direction that we're headed. So I'm thankful for this university and the great team that supports me.